Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So this week we are going to talk about probably all the influx of toys that entered your house over Christmas, holidays, and all the other festivities. So one thing that we like to talk about at Meat and Potatoes Organizing is the one in, one out rule. So if you're bringing in one new toy, the goal would be to go and discard or donate a different toy. So maybe something that your kids aren't using. The same thing can go with clothes or maybe any new kitchen or useful items that you received from the holiday. Swap out those brand new gifts and donate the ones that you no longer use. So this week's Just the Tip. Head in there with a nice little garbage bag or reusable bag. Fill it up with things that you no longer want, need, use, and replace with those new items. All right, I'll see you next week.